In this episode of the 1 Minute Marketing Show, we're talking about how you can get started with video marketing when you don't have a sizable budget. Hello and welcome to the 1 Minute Marketing Show. I'm your host Joshua Vandenbroek, and in this episode we're answering a question from Brian Morrows, who asks, what is the best way to get started with video if you don't have a sizable budget? Well, Brian, the first thing that I would suggest that you do is that you start with what it is that you have. Generally, people will start thinking about video is, I need certain equipment, I need editing software, I need all these things, and maybe I don't have the money to buy them, and it's going to stop me from getting started. Like most people, we have smartphones. The cameras that are on these devices are so good these days that you can get started with those. Now, audio is something that we want to consider. Ideally, if you can get a lapel microphone, there's some that you can get on eBay and Amazon for around about $20. You should have some stability options when it comes to filming your videos. Setting up your smartphone, you're leaning against the book or so it stays stable, that's great. But you can also get mini tripods from under $5, $10. So your whole equipment kit can be definitely $20 to $50. So it's not something that's going to break the bank. But if not, just use what you have. Use the onboard microphone. If you have to, hold the phone. But ideally, you want to improve your video production over time. So the idea with getting started with video is the getting started. So don't focus on the other elements that are going to get in the way, and make sure that you get started straight away. I hope that helps, Brian. If you have a question that you want us to answer on the 1 Minute Marketing Show, then send your questions through to the email that's on your screen right now, and I'll catch you in the next episode.